Sometimes me sit and smile when me read over this old letter, the one me write to my future husband when me was just 21. Back then, me heart was full of hope and prayer, and even though me never know him yet, my spirit already feel him walking somewhere in this world. This is what me wrote to the man I will marry. My king, I don't know your face yet, but me heart already recognize your spirit. Me pray every night for your leader, a hardworking, God-fearing man who protect with courage and love with truth. Me know me strong, stronger than most people realize. So me need a man who not timid, a man who can handle a queen and still make me feel soft, feminine, safe. Me promise you from now, me will be a woman for life. Me will stand by you through any storm. Me will bring forth your children with love and purpose. I will cover you with prayer, and I hope you cover me the same. Me don't need a man to survive, but me want a true one to thrive. Someone loyal, someone who choose me every day, someone who guard me heart like it precious before God's eyes. Wherever you are, me hope the Most High guide your steps straight to me. Dear diary, sometimes me read that letter and me feel the same fire in my chest, the same longing, the same certainty that God prepares someone special for my part. And even though me wasn't married yet, 21-year-old me believed in that love so strong. I write it down like a prophecy, I hold on to that because I believe my true king, who God has prepared, is very close to me, and he was kept just for me.